So for this one, it's c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of c. And I figured this out, that this is the angle we're working with, so this is going to be angle x. And then the side opposite of the given angle is what c is. So it's going to be 31 squared equals 27 squared plus 39 squared. It doesn't matter which one we put in there. Minus 2 times 27 times 39. So now I do all the squaring. I square 31, square 27, square the 39, minus, and then I do the 2 times 27 times 39, and I get to 2,106 cosine of x. I add these two guys here to make the 2,250. And then I subtract the 2,250 over. All right, so I subtract 2,250 on both sides. That is going to give you a negative over here, right? Because it's going to be 961 minus the 2,250. So you're going to have negative 1,289. So you have to look at this cosine x right here as the entire variable, right? So this is negative 2,106 cosine of x. So I can't subtract these two. If you do that, then you're breaking the order of operations. So I subtracted the 2,250. I'm getting this on this side equals negative 2,106 cosine x. So I have to divide by the negative 2,106, divide by negative 2,106 on both sides. So then those will cancel. You'll be left with just the cosine x of this nice little decimal, 0.61200, whatever it is, a whole bunch of numbers, right? Because when you do that in your calculator, 1289 divided by 2106, you get that big number there, right? Or not big number, little number, 0.612060779, right? And then you need to do the inverse cosine of that because we're trying to find an angle. So it's the inverse cosine of that large number. So in my calculator, I would do second cosine, second answer, because it stores that answer, and then I'd hit equal, and it gives me that 52.26, or roughly 52 degrees. All right. So the key here is you're going to more than likely get a negative on this side, and that's going to freak you out. But then this will also be negative. When you divide the negatives, you'll get a positive decimal. Then you can do the inverse cosine. You want that decimal right here. If you have a big number right there, you did something wrong. If you have a negative right there, you did something wrong. Go back and reevaluate. All right? Okay. There's that. See you guys next week.